folks, and welcome back to another lesson. We are going to be looking at Beguiled, the new Smashing Pumpkins single off their new Autumn album. A quick word on today's sponsor. Check this bad boy out. This is the DED50T. You get two pads. One's for bass drum, one's for hi-hat. Pretty cool, right? So you chuck them on the floor and away you go. And then you've got ride. And there's a bunch of different settings. There's like 15 banks of drums. Setting number 8's cool. Check it out. Cool, right? Thanks, Donna. So tone-wise, clean tone. Using the 1991 for some gain. And you also want a whammy pedal set to an octave up. So when you put your toe down, all that good stuff, right? So you're just going toe down when you play each note. So we are in drop D. So your low E string is going to go down 2 frets or 1 step. And the intro riff goes like this. And around, okay? Pretty straightforward stuff. Now live, Billy Corgan does play this differently already, and he played it on the Jimmy Fallon show, and he doesn't palm mute the... He was taking his hand off there and playing... So, you know, so you're out and there's already a variation, so you can play whichever one you fancy. On the album version, though, it's palm muted right up until you play the note on the 12th fret. So you've got this, 4, then a little gallop, down, up, down, and then 2 more, and that's the first bar. Second bar is 4 more, and then on the 12th fret, so the same rhythm as you played before, with a little gallop, down, up, down, and then the 10th fret. And that's it. So slowly. Pretty straightforward, right? Then the kind of bridge part goes like this. Back into that first riff. So there are some overdubs over there. I'll show you those in a sec. But Billy's part is a downstroke first. So it's a palm muted whack. So you're just lightly covering your hands over the strings. You know, just for that little percussiveness. And then you're going to play 12, 10, down, up, 12, 13. Like that. And the rhythm stays the same throughout this, okay? So you're just going to be changing position, basically, with the same rhythm. And then he goes to the 8th fret. I'm doing a double stop there. You'll also hear the other 2 guitar parts. So that's the actual... So what's happening there is the other guitar parts are doing a really cool little third harmony. I think it's a third, yeah. So one guitar's on the 7th fret, ever so slightly bent, and the other one's the 5th fret on the G. Okay, so that's all that's going on there. And then you've got a move down to the 5th fret. Then you move it down another 2 frets, okay? So the 5th fret slowly is... Pretty straightforward. Then you go back up to the 12th fret. Again with one of those bits. And then you've got this double stops here, I think. And that's it. Now over the top there are a couple of extra bits as well. So you've got this... And the other guitar part's playing. So together it's... know. So there's lots going on there. Really nice use of the 3 guitars, actually. Then you're into the... And on that last beat, you'll hear a 15th fret note, right? I'm not sure if it's... Don't know if they used the whammy on the album or not. I can't remember, actually. But the live, I think it was just the 15th fret. You know, you'll hear that going on, okay? Now, this bit is super difficult to hear, and you've got a whammy pedal over the top playing some cool melody lines. But Billy's part is really, really difficult to hear. But he's doing some moving about, and you hear some sort of melody. I think what he's doing is this. All right, so it's really sort of, you know, kind of jarring almost, but it's pretty cool. Nice rhythm. So it starts with that same little whack, and then you're going to play 5-3-5-5-3, okay? But it's palm muted, and you include the low E string, right, which is now D, obviously. That's the first part. Then you go to the 8th fret. And you play that, so you're pulling in a bit more of that same rhythmic flavour from before, right? Then you go to 8 and 10. Right, and that part is just 8, 10, 8, 8, 8, 10, 8, 8, 8, and then this bit 10, 10, 10, 12, right? So the whole thing slowly. 3, 4. And then the other guitar part is just playing this. I'll play it with the whammy so you can get the effect. All right, like that. So I'll turn the whammy off. So it's just part of a D minor triad, basically. So that's pretty straightforward. 12, 10, 10, 13, 10. Next part, 10, 13 again. Then you've got 17, 15, 13. 17, 20. 22nd fret. Then Billy plays some really cool natural harmonics, which go like this. Something like that, right? I think he's playing kind of just behind the 2nd fret. So if you move from somewhere around there, right, and you're going to play that rhythm, right? So it's 3, 4, 1. That rhythm. You know, so it doesn't really matter. I think live he just plays. There's just some slides and stuff in there. And that is it. That's all you need. So I hope you enjoyed this one. See you again soon. Cheers.